Hi guys, I'm Zed and you are watching me on M.Zed Studios. In this video, we will talk about the evolution of Spider-Man and its amazing and iconic Spider-Man suits. Now let's start the video. We will first discuss the history of Spider-Man. Spider-Man's first story in Marvel Comics was The Amazing Fantasy number 15, which was published in August 1962. Stated that an American teenager, Peter Parker, a poor sickly orphan who was bitten by a radioactive spider. As the result of the bite, he got superhuman strength, fitness, speed, agility along with the ability to cling to walls. With specific spider sense from approaching danger, he was to use his ability to fight against crimes when he was coming to understand the words of his beloved Uncle Ben. With great power comes great responsibilities. After gaining his spider-like superpowers, Peter originally wore a wrestling suit. The wrestling suit was seen with the red balaclava, red shirt with the black spider on his front and back, blue pants and red shoes along with red and white gloves. Although this suit is also similar to the comic book version of Spider-Man. After the death of his Uncle Ben, he abandoned his previous suit and currently wears a skin-tight red and blue shirt, which was based on an arachne. It had a silver waist, web pattern on the red portion of suit. Starting from the mask, eyelines is on the mask, and two spiders on the front and back, but both is in different designs. Also with the dimensional adding features like the web pattern. This suit was heavily damaged due to crashing through an abandoned building during his first fight with the Green Goblin. This film became a financial success. It was the first film to reach $100 million in a single weekend and became the most successful film based on a comic book at that time. This film is the first in the Spider-Man film series. After 2 years later, Peter Parker's Spider-Man suit has changed. The spiders on front and back were designed, the red portions of suit were lighter and blue portions were darker. Although the overall design was unchanged, this suit continued till Spider-Man 2. Spider-Man 3, first time the black symbiotic suit and Venom was introduced. Black symbiotic suit was worn by Peter Parker while he was on a date with his girlfriend. A meteor crashes down with a black light crawling out of it. It attaches to Peter. The symbiote changes his suit from red and blue to fully black and has enhanced his powers. This suit is fully black with silver stripes and is more stretched, but it slowly makes him arrogant and aggressive. Finally, Peter got rid of it by using a bell charm to weaken the symbiote and went back to his original Spider-Man suit. What else could be said about The Amazing Spider-Man 1? The Amazing Spider-Man 1 is a 2012 American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics character Spider-Man. It is the fourth Spider-Man film produced by Columbia Pictures and Marvel Entertainment. In this film, after bitten by a genetically altered spider, he gains newfound spider-like powers and ventures out to save the city. New designs were installed from the comics such as the artificial web shooters and the spider designs on front and back and also change of eyes. After 2 years later, The Amazing Spider-Man 2 was released and is the fifth Spider-Man movie produced by Columbia Pictures. In this film, Spidey got his white eyes with more distinguishing web pattern and also less sneakers like footwears and generally more silhouette. Due to performing below expectations, all subsequent installments were cancelled and a new iteration of the character portrayed by Tom Holland in the Marvel Cinematic Universe began with the 2016 Captain America Civil War film. This film marked the beginning of new Spider-Man's era. The Spider-Man is a specialized suit used by Peter Parker to protect his identity as Spider-Man. Originally consisted of a red hoodie with the spider symbol, blue pants, a blue shirt and a red mark with black goggles to help him focus his senses. Suit received a mirror upgrade from Tony Stark for Parker to use during the Clash of Avengers. This suit has many new features such as Karen, an artificial intelligence system to aid the Peter Parker. With multiple web shooting modes, a head-up display embedded in eye lenses, a spider drone instead of a simple logo on its chest. This suit can track and decode everything through its eye lenses. In this film, a lot of time was given to the features of the Spider-Man suit and how Peter learns to use them. This suit got some inspired air gliders under the arms. How cool is that? But not cool like the Iron Spidey armor. This suit was used in Spider-Man Homecoming and also in the beginning of Avengers Infinity War. 2018, another item 17A was introduced known as Iron Spidey Armor. The Iron Spidey Armor is a suit designed by Tony Stark for Peter Parker to use it in Avengers Endgame when he got too close to the edge of atmosphere on the Q ship and use it to hug Doctor Strange. It is supported by a system similar to that of Tony Stark's classic Iron Man design. The Iron Spidey Armor features many gadgets including 3 mechanical spider arms or warders that can be used to see around corners and to manipulate objects indirectly. This suit also has combat abilities and an artificial system called Friday. The Iron Spidey armor was also used by Peter Parker in the Avengers Endgame Earth fight when he returned from death by the Infinity Stones to defeat Thanos and his army. The next one is Spider-Man Far From Home. In 2024, in an attempt to hide his identity as Spider-Man, Parker was given a stealth suit designed by S.H.I.E.L.D. that allowed him to operate under the moniker of Night Monkey while in Prague. Also, this suit is also similar to the comic book version of Spider-Man. The next day, as his Stark suit had been destroyed and he had lost the mask to his stealth suit, Parker designed and created an upgraded Spider-Man suit on the Stark Industries private jet, which he used in the Battle of London to defeat Mysterio. The upgraded suit contains more distinguishing web wings and multiple web shooters with great combat abilities. Also a Spidey paraglider. Alright, these are the all Spider-Man suits from 2002 to 2019. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and also make sure to give a huge thumbs up on this video as always as you can. See you soon.